Hi, it's Gina with your Note of the Week. This week's note is about saving report parameters. And here's what I mean by that. Maybe you have a favorite report that you like to run frequently, and sometimes you like to run it without filters, and sometimes you like to run it with filters. For this example, I'm going to use sales history, reports, sales history by customer by item. What I'm going to show you, you can apply to any report in Counterpoint. So I'm going to click on the report. Now, right now the filter is blank, but I specifically want to filter on my members for this report. So I'm going to click on members, and I'll populate that second part of the filter. Now I have a filter on this report. Now, if I run the report, it's only going to show me member sales, but the next time I come run the report, I'm going to have to manually pick members and members again. So to save myself that step, I'm going to save these parameters. Options, save parameters. I'm going to give my parameter name, sales by members. And I'm going to show you a little copy paste trick here. I'm going to highlight sales by member, press Control C as in copy on my keyboard, click into the description, and press Control V as in victory. Now I have saved those parameters. Now I also want a special report just for my business members. So let me filter for business members. And I'm going to go to Options, Save Parameters, and I'm going to just call this Sales by Business. And again, I'm going to use my little copy paste trick, Control C. Let's try that again. Business. And I'll use my little copy paste trick by highlighting, Control C, coming down to the description, Control V, and now I have another report for sales by business. Next, I'm going to do one for my employees. So I'm going to grab employee in the filter, and there it is. I'm going to go to Options, Save Parameters, and now I'm going to make this sales by employee. I'm going to highlight sales by employee, Control C, come down here to description, Control V, and now I have saved 3 separate reports, all filtering on a different member category. So let's say a couple days have passed by, I'm ready to run one of those reports. Sales history, reports, here's my sales history by customer by item report, and when it loads with a blank filter. So I'm going to go to Options, Load Parameters. Here's a list of my saved reports. I'm going to select the member report and load. So now it populates the filter. All I need to do at this point is specify a date range. So I'm just going to put in December through today and preview. And there we are. Sales by customer by item, filtering strictly on members. So that's your note this week. Hope you enjoyed the information, and I will talk with you again next week. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com, and on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.